Welcome back to our channel, that is Billios Academy. Yes. So till now what we have studied? We have studied about quadratic equation, standard form of quadratic equation. After that we have studied how to solve quadratic equation. Fine. So how can we solve quadratic equation? I have taught you three ways. The first way was by solving the quadratic equation by factorization method. Fine. Next was solving the quadratic equation by completing the square method. The third way was solving the quadratic equation by formula method. Fine. Now today what I am going to explain you is nature of roots of quadratic equation. Fine. Nature of roots of quadratic equation. The heading here is nature of roots of quadratic equation. Is it fine? The heading here is nature of roots of quadratic equation. Fine. Now I have explained you one topic, right? That is discriminant. What is the discriminant? That is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 is called as discriminant. It is also called as delta. It is also called as delta. Fine. Now depending upon this delta or discriminant value, we will decide what will be the nature of roots of this quadratic equation. Fine. So let me solve here. If we have three natures, fine, we have three natures. The first nature here is if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. That is the delta value or discriminant value. If it is greater than 0, then the first nature of root is real and distinct. Real and distinct. Is it fine? See here, carefully observe here. Today's concept is nature of roots of quadratic equation. Fine. There are three nature of roots. The first root is if this discriminant value, that is b square minus 4ac, is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. Fine. The roots are real and distinct, means this whole value should be positive. Am I right? Next, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the nature of root is real. The nature of root is it is real and equal. The nature of root is real and equal. I repeat once again. Today's class and we are going to study nature of roots of quadratic equation, in which we have three nature of roots. The first nature of root is, that is if delta value is greater than 0, that is positive, it cannot be negative, it should not be 0. If this is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. Fine. Then if the delta value, that is b square minus 4ac, is equal to 0, exact equal to 0, then the nature of root is real and equal. Is it fine? Yes. The third nature of root is, that is if b square minus 4ac, if b square minus 4ac lesser than 0, that is this delta value or discriminant value is lesser than 0 or negative, then the roots are not real. Then the roots are not real. Sometimes we will call this not real as imaginary. Sometimes you call this not real as imaginary. Fine, students. So today what we have learned, nature of roots of quadratic equation. In this, the delta value or discriminant value, that is b square minus 4ac, if it is greater than 0 or positive, then the roots are real and distinct. Fine. Next, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Then if b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, then the roots are not real or imaginary. Now let us understand this concept with the help of one example. So I'll give you an example which I remember. Fine. The example here is 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. I repeat, this is the example what I remember. You can take your own examples. Fine. So the example here is 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Is this quadratic? Yes. Why? Because this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Fine? Yes, students. Now, how will I decide whether this quadratic equation is real and distinct, or real and equal, or not real or imaginary? Now, just you should find the delta value. See here, what is a here? A is 3, very good. B is minus 5, C is 2. Now from this we have A value, B value and C value. Just substitute this in this discriminant and check the answer. That is minus 5 whole square minus 4 into A is 3, C is 2. So this value is minus 5 square is 25. 25 minus 4 into 3 into 2. What is 4 3s are 12. 12 into 2 is 24. So 24. How much is 25 minus 24? It is 1, right? So is 1 a positive integer? Yes, very good. So therefore this b square minus 4ac is positive or greater than 0. So by seeing this answer, what can I tell about the nature of roots? The nature of root is real and distinct. Fine. The nature of root is real and distinct. So I'll write this here as real and distinct. Real and distinct. Thanks for watching my video. This is one of the important concept of quadratic equation, that is explaining or understanding the nature of roots of quadratic equation. The first is greater than 0, that is positive. Next is equal to 0, that is real and equal. Third is lesser than 0 or negative. So I have explained you with an example, that is 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Just compare this with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If I compare this with this, here the a is 3, b is minus 5, c is 2. Fine. After this, apply this in the formula, that is discriminant formula, b square minus 4ac. So 25 minus 24 is 1. Since 1 is a positive number and it is greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. Thank you, students.